Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. It's up to you. And then let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's tap on edit and let me quickly remove the photo. So I'll show you how it will look like with the contact which does not have any kind of photo assigned. So all you have to do is tap on this camera icon, and now you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose it from the gallery. So let me tap on it and let me choose something. Maybe this one. Tap on the stick icon to confirm, and now in this step we can change the position of the photo. We can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to meet your preferences, and then tap on the tick icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, the photo has been applied, so remember to confirm everything again just by tapping on the tick icon. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.